Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. Today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're working on the Yamaha R7, and in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can kind of see, it is dark. I forgot to film an intro, so I'm filming it a little bit later on. But in today's video, guys, we are going to be removing the baffle from the exhaust on my R7. So I have a KO Lightning exhaust I did purchase off eBay. I do believe it was about 150, 180 bucks. Don't quote me on that. I'll go ahead and put a picture somewhere on the screen if I can figure out or find the ad. I'll put it on screen right here. But yes, at first glance, the baffle did not look like it was able to be removed, and I had attempted before and I was unsuccessful, and that's why I'm filming the intro now, because I deleted that footage. I tried again for the second time on a different day and I was successful. So I'm gonna input that footage after this clip right here.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I finally got the baffle out. I honestly didn't know or didn't think that this was going to come out of my exhaust, because I was hammering this thing for days, and then I decided to stop hammering, grabbed a pry bar, and it just like fell out. I went and just pried it from this side, and it just went, and it just literally fell out into pieces. So yeah, I'm really curious now how this bike is about to sound. I'm super excited. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thrown back on the R7 right now, and junk that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got it out. Let's go ahead and give her a first start up. Low-key little excited and kind of nervous. Oh, I can't even rev it any louder. Oh, I'm in trouble. Oh my gosh, there's no way. Woo! Oh my, bro, I see what people meant by it was too loud. Oh dude, I revved it maybe like 3,000 RPM. I don't know if I can I gotta rev it louder. I don't even know what to say. I was not expecting that at all. Not even close. There is no way this little piece of metal was stopping that. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm in trouble. It's a good thing there's no exhaust laws on bikes, because that is insane. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys enjoyed today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna input some drive-by clips. If not, comment down below if you guys want me to make an entire video, like an entire POV video, me riding it. Got my GoPro on, having the GoPro mounted for the exhaust, all that. If you guys want an entire video dedicated just to the exhaust, go ahead and let me know for the sound. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And that, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video. Don't know how well you guys heard that, but that's a regular almost every single night up in this neighborhood.